Hello everyone, welcome to Bike Review Pro. Today, we are witnessing the return of a legend with a radical twist. Introducing the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of production custom design, blending Honda's reliability with extreme chopper soul. The new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper maintains its iconic, aggressive raked-out front end that defines the chopper look. This stretched-out geometry provides a unique profile that looks hand-built in a custom shop, yet it offers the refined handling and stability that only Honda engineering can deliver. Up front, the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper features a modern LED lighting system. While it keeps the classic circular shape, the internal optics are cutting edge, providing a premium blue-white beam that cuts through the night, ensuring you have both style and safety on every late-night cruise. The handlebars on the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper are designed for ultimate comfort and control. These high-polished pullback bars offer a relaxed reach, allowing you to sit back and enjoy the ride while maintaining a commanding grip on this powerful machine's intuitive and sleek controls. These long-travel front forks on the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper are a work of art. The high-gloss chrome finish reflects the world around you, while the internal damping is tuned to provide a surprisingly smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections despite the bike's radical, stretched-out stance. The massive 21-inch front wheel of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is central to its custom identity. Its slim profile and intricate spoke design create a light, airy look at the front, which perfectly balances the muscular rear end, giving the bike a sense of forward motion even when still. From the side profile, the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper showcases its pure speed and balance. The clean lines flow seamlessly from the front wheel through the engine and down to the rear axle. It's a masterclass in industrial design, proving that Honda can build a bike with immense character. The fuel tank design of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is a beautiful teardrop shape that sits perfectly on the high-mount frame. The deep, glossy paint finish is applied with precision, providing a premium feel and an excellent grip point that enhances the overall rider-to-bike connection. The heart of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is its massive V-twin engine. Delivering extreme performance and that classic rhythmic pulse, this engine is tuned for low-end torque. The mix of chrome and matte finishes makes it the undeniable centerpiece of this incredible custom machine. The dual chrome exhaust system on the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper isn't just about looks. It delivers an aggressive and deep V-twin rumble that will turn heads wherever you go. The slash-cut pipes add to the custom attitude and ensure the bike sounds as powerful as it looks on the open road. The new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper utilizes a clean and reliable shaft drive system. This means no messy chains or adjustments, allowing you to focus on the ride. It's a low-maintenance solution that perfectly complements the bike's high-end aesthetic and smooth power delivery to the rear tire. Comfort meets style with the low-slung seat of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. With an ultra-low seat height, it allows for an easy reach to the ground and a relaxed, in-the-bike riding position. The premium leather and textured stitching provide a high-quality feel for those long cruises. The new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper features a clever hidden rear suspension system. This gives the bike a classic hardtail look without the punishing ride. The lightweight swing arm enhances stability and traction, ensuring that you get custom style without sacrificing your comfort or handling. Providing the grip and the attitude is a massive 200mm rear tire on the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. This wide footprint gives the bike a powerful stance from behind and ensures plenty of traction when you're putting that V-twin torque to the pavement during spirited highway acceleration. The integrated LED taillight on the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper improves visibility and safety while staying true to its custom roots. The sharp red glow is clearly visible even in poor conditions, ensuring that your presence is known while adding a modern touch to the bike's rear end. The digital TFT display on the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper shows all essential data in a clean, minimalist format. It's tucked away to keep the cockpit uncluttered, yet it provides clear information on speed, gear position, and fuel, keeping you informed without distracting from the ride. The new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is truly a unique machine in today's world. It offers custom style with factory reliability that only Honda can provide. Thanks for watching Bike Review Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 8K motorcycle content. We will see you in the next one.